Good morning. All right, today we're going to be talking about percents. And remember, just like yesterday, we're talking about percent, the amount out of 100 cents, meaning out of 100. There are 100 pennies in a dollar. Okay? So, when we're looking at a percentage, we're talking about a ratio, but the ratio we're talking about is not a part-to-part ratio. It's a part-to-whole ratio, and you kind of learned about that yesterday. So we have a percent, which is a part to whole ratio where your whole is 100. So your whole is always 100 for a percent. All right, you can ignore that announcement you just heard. Okay, so we have a percent. A percent is out of 100. Okay, our examples that we're going to have here is let's go ahead and say we're going to go ahead and write 75% as our example. 75%, notice you have the percent symbol. The percent symbol can be written with a backslash and 2 dots, or you can write it as 2 little circles, a backslash, and the 2 open circles a little. It doesn't matter which one you prefer. Okay? And your percent simply is stating that you have 75 out of 100. And that is going to equal the fraction, which is 75 over 100. All right? So we have our percentage, we have our ratio, and we have our fraction. The numerator is our part. The fraction bar is the per. And our 100, or denominator, is 100. And it's always 100 for a percent, but it happens to be our whole as well.